Well, good Friday afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets ended up having a mixed close, but did come back. We did see corn, wheat markets actually rally back off of lows. Weaker dollar certainly didn't hurt things here today. The dollar down almost a half a point. Crude oil continues to make highs, trading at the highest level since last May. So that's a story in its own, and certainly we can all relate with prices at the pump right now. But the grains did come back. Saw a couple of big features this week. We saw active bull spreading in corn, folks buying the nearby contract and selling the deferred contracts, and also saw a lot of intercommodity spreading, buying soybeans, selling corn, selling wheat. But nonetheless, the buying of the soybeans and selling of corn and wheat seem to be the big focus here this week. Here to end the week, we had March corn close up 1 1/4 cents at 6.40 3/4. December corn down 3/4 of a cent at 5.58. March soybeans up 2 1/4 at 12.79. November beans up 3 at 12.70 3/4. The December cotton up 0.38 at 90.38. November rice up 23.5 points at a good close here in the week at 15.17 even. July Chicago wheat down 2 cents at 6.53. Kansas City July wheat up 3/4 of a cent at 6.96.5, and Minneapolis Sep wheat down 2.5 cents at 7.81. I'll be back on the road next week, so probably won't be giving any video updates here on YouTube, but certainly wanted to get everybody up to speed on what's going on. I think following the Ag Outlook Forum here this week that the trade's focus is going to be on maybe swinging a few acres back towards soybeans. I know we've been talking 94+ million acres of corn potentially to get planted this year. I think at this point we could probably do with 93 to 94 and maybe push 1 million acres back towards soybeans in order to meet some of this good demand. We've had some excellent demand from China this week. Last week's export sales numbers that were published this morning, very, very strong numbers, amongst the highest I've ever seen on a weekly basis. So that seems to be where the focus of the trade is, and we'll look for more of that next week. Have a good weekend.